pros and cons of living in San Antonio, Texas is exactly what we are discussing today. We will cover housing costs, job markets, weather, and the real lifestyle you can expect. There is one hidden truth about the job market here that completely caught me off guard. I will reveal that secret later, but let us start with the biggest draw of this city. The cost of living in San Antonio is nearly 9% lower than the national average. Housing and real estate are exceptionally affordable compared to other Texas hubs. Let us walk through a real-world example of buying a home in a popular suburban area. You can find a beautiful 3-bedroom house for around $300,000. In Austin or Dallas, that exact same property would cost you well over $500,000. That kind of affordability completely changes your quality of life and financial freedom. But you need to understand the job opportunities and salary expectations before you move. While the military and healthcare sectors are huge, overall wages scale slightly lower. Honestly, I did not expect the salary difference to be that noticeable at first glance. It really makes you pause and weigh the lower housing costs against the average income. Let me tell you about another surprising thing I learned about the local crime rates. We will get back to that safety factor soon, because the culture here is just incredible. The people, culture, and language create a deeply welcoming and bilingual community vibe. I personally experienced this warmth while exploring the historic Pearl District myself. The lifestyle and entertainment scene is packed with amazing world-class Tex-Mex food. You do have to trade all those fun family festivals for some intensely hot summer days. The weather and climate feature brutal humidity, but the beautifully mild winters help. Transportation and traffic can be a headache since the entire city is heavily car dependent. However, the highway commutes remain far more manageable than what you see in Houston. Education and healthcare are solid, especially with the top-tier medical center nearby. Over 38,000 professionals work in that specific medical district alone. Remember that hidden truth about the job market I mentioned at the start of this video. Cybersecurity is growing so fast here that tech salaries are actually beating the average. That completely shifted my perspective on the long-term economic future of this region. Now let us address that local safety and crime rate detail I teased a few minutes ago. Like any major metro area, safety is highly dependent on the specific neighborhood you pick. I spent weeks driving through different suburban streets to really understand the borders. The property crime rate is slightly higher than average, so local research is critical. If you are seriously weighing the pros and cons of living in San Antonio, Texas right now, here are 3 actionable things you can do to prepare for your potential relocation. First, research specific school districts in the northern suburbs before renting a place. Second, calculate your current salary against the local median income of $60,000. Third, visit during August to see if you can truly handle the peak summer temperatures. Future growth and quality of life look incredibly promising for this expanding haven. You get a relaxed community focus without the overwhelming hyper-growth pains of Austin. Finding the right home is just about matching your priorities with what a city truly offers.